My name is Lorraine Yard, and I am the CEO of GeneSYS Inc. I'm proud to introduce you to a company that presents a tremendous investment opportunity with our patented products and solutions addressing a multi-billion-dollar market for the security, tracking, and administration of controlled substances. Today I plan to demonstrate our commitment to this market and the success of our company. As experts in biometric security technology, we develop products that securely store, administer, and track controlled substances at the end-user level, bridging a significant security gap between the back-end health information system and the products and devices that deliver patient care within the healthcare facilities. We are the only company in the US that is attacking the issue of drug abuse and diversion at this level, and our products are unique in the healthcare environment. How many of you have medications in the home that are not locked up? Or how many of you have taken or know someone who's taken a controlled substance such as pain medication? The fact is that we all know someone who has taken prescription medications, maybe after an accident or surgery. What you may not know is the overall impact caused by the abuse and diversion of these controlled substances in the US. 1 in 5 families in the US has had an issue with drug abuse. And abuse, drug diversion, and the inadequate security of controlled substances at the end-user level cost healthcare facilities and providers billions of dollars annually. And a major catalyst is ease of access, more specifically, unauthorized access. The abuse and diversion of controlled substances represents an overall $600 billion cost to the US economy. Over 100 people die every day as a result of opiate and other controlled substance abuse. And every 8 minutes, a child is admitted to the emergency room for accidental ingestion of medications. Most medications in the home are completely unsecure, and 70% of teens who abuse narcotics steal them directly from the medicine cabinet. Similarly, there are hundreds of thousands of nurses addicted to prescription drugs, and 10% of physicians abuse controlled substances. These are the major drivers of diversion within professional healthcare environments, and have a direct negative impact on the level of care received by a patient, increase healthcare liability, and result in billions of dollars in losses annually. And the problem is growing out of control fast. It's important to understand how our technology addresses these issues. A major source of drug abuse and diversion starts with unauthorized access or misappropriation of drugs at the end-user level. Presently, there is no commercially viable way to monitor and track actual usage of controlled substances. Until now. By incorporating biometric technology into the devices at the end-user level, whether it's to track a healthcare worker's handling of medications or the administration of medication to a patient, we verify the unique identity of the provider or patient and add a new level of security that currently does not exist. Utilizing our patented technology assures only authorized users can access and dispense controlled substances through our products that then communicate pertinent data to the back-end GeneSYS system for better control and compliance. Our technology provides both security and accountability in a healthcare facility. We're at the precipice of a new and emerging market because we have the technology and innovation to address this problem. Industry drivers are also working in our favor, as big pharma, healthcare providers, and OEM device manufacturers are all being pushed by government regulation and mandate, as well as insurance and risk compliance groups to improve the safety, storage, and delivery of controlled substances. Providers alone lose over $70 billion annually as a direct result of drug abuse and diversion. Our technology offers a low-cost, simplified option to improve access control, secure drug delivery, and increase accountability, preventing loss and decreasing healthcare costs and insurance premiums. And as such, we are uniquely positioned to leverage our technology into a market that is in need of a real solution. At the forefront of our product offerings are 2 medical devices, the RX Safe Dose and the RX My Dose. These products are uniquely designed to secure as well as track usage of medical infusion pumps and injections. Not only do they have biometric capabilities ensuring they can only be used by authorized users, but each device has the ability to push its user information automatically to the health system's GeneSYS for real-time monitoring and compliance. Another product we recently developed is more on the health information technology side, but utilizes our same patented technology to provide a secure, portable medical record for patients. Our Safe EHR product is the first completely system-agnostic biometric USB device which can be practically used by healthcare as a secure, HIPAA-compliant patient data transfer tool. It can also be white-labeled and used as a marketing tool for patient acquisition and retention. This device gives the patients the ability to take health system-generated medical records with them for follow-up services with their providers. Another big sub-market in controlled substances is in the area of drug and narcotic storage, and we've designed a line of professional containment and security devices as well as consumer-level products to secure controlled substances in a home and professional healthcare environment. RX DrugSafe professional and consumer storage products use the same biometric technology as our medical devices, and we are currently developing smart features, incorporating communications technology to allow these products to communicate with medication adherence, administration and scheduling apps on iOS and Android devices. Within a professional healthcare environment, this will make it far more simple to administer and track usage of our drug storage products. And for the consumer market, integrating our products with a pill reminder app to provide assistance to patients in taking their medications will allow these products to be considered as medical devices, in that they are aiding a patient with medication adherence. This opens up the door for insurance reimbursement, which is our ultimate goal for consumer-focused drug storage products. The prior technology enhancements are highlighted in our robust product and technology roadmap, which expands the use of our intellectual property into other areas of need within a healthcare environment, for example in telemedicine solutions and other general use medical devices which require security. Healthcare is now all about services and costs. The less efficient services are, the more costly it is all around. Our products are uniquely positioned to take advantage of the serious data gap between drug and patient to improve overall efficiency and enhance patient safety. Our technology and devices guarantee that only pre-authorized personnel have access, and by tracking the actual dispensing of the drugs, provides tighter controls, reduces risk, and ultimately saves money. And the beauty is that our products can be incorporated into any existing healthcare environment and deliver regulatory compliance and tighter security at a fraction of the cost of an enterprise solution. The use of biometrics has been steadily accepted both on the consumer as well as professional levels, but no other company has developed similar products to directly address multiple risk loss and cost loss issues at the end user level within healthcare. The potential market opportunity for RxSafe's products is huge. Collectively, our product offerings target established markets which represent a combined $80 billion value, broken down between healthcare asset management and security, drug delivery systems, and the injectable drug delivery markets. As an example of how just one of our products presents significant opportunity, I want to walk you through the potential market size and economics of the RxSafe Dose product. First, you need to understand how this product is used for it all to make sense. If you've ever been to hospital for an orthopedic surgery, you will likely have been placed on IV pain medication and handed a push-button switch, which is attached to the infusion pump. Every time you push that button, you get another dose of pain meds. That is patient-controlled analgesia, or PCA. The need for our product in the infusion pump marketplace is being driven in part by the FDA's Infusion Pump Improvement Initiative. Following a 5-year study, there were over 56,000 adverse drug events reported relating to infusion pump failures, and more than 500 patient deaths as a result of PCA by proxy. PCA by proxy is when someone other than the authorized patient pushes the button to administer a dose of pain medication. The RxSafe Dose product is a biometrically controlled switch, meaning that only the authorized patient or nurse can administer pain meds. It eliminates PCI by proxy and could have prevented these deaths. OEMs have received large financial penalties, and healthcare facilities have been subjected to countless medical malpractice lawsuits as a result. Hence, the market is calling out for a solution. Our patented Safe Dose Secure Switch is that solution. Our cost for this product is approximately $45. So with an estimated 600,000 unsecure switches replaced every year in the US at an average selling price of $200 per unit, the potential market size for the device is valued at $120 million, with profitability of $93 million, and that's just one device. As important as having a great product is a solid go-to-market strategy, which we believe we have established for our product line. For our professional devices, if we were to attempt to navigate the FDA for device approval and then establish distribution, the cost and time to market would be prohibitive. So why reinvent the wheel? Instead, we've decided to establish an OEM model, a strategy which worked successfully for us in the past with the introduction of biometrics into consumer products. By partnering with stakeholders already established in the marketplace, we reduce cost and time to market and increase our overall distribution capabilities. By way of example, we are presently speaking with leading OEMs in the infusion pump marketplace. They have established brands and distribution channels, but are facing regulatory and financial pressures to improve their product offerings. The SafeDose product provides a real value proposition for these companies, allowing them to quickly meet regulatory requirements and relieve the financial burden of penalties. And our patent prevents them from circumventing us. So it's a win-win scenario. Similarly, with our MyDose product, to date the FDA has required needle-free injectors to be coupled with a formulary for device approval. For liquid opioids, coupling them with a secure delivery mechanism could expedite approval of new formularies, as they'd be deemed safer through their secured delivery. So we put the device in the hands of Big Pharma to establish approval. Both sides realize value, and once again our patent protects us. And this strategy spans across our product line. For our consumer products, specifically the RX Drug Safe, we approached CVS, one of the nation's largest retail pharmacy chains, and have initiated a pilot sales program in New York and Nevada. We hope to be able to expand this program throughout 2016 to a wider market and bring in additional pharmacy chains and retail distribution partners. We are currently in the process of establishing a Doctor Direct program, which allows physicians to market our products directly to patients at the point of prescribing. Also, as with our professional products, partnering with private and governmental stakeholders to get our products to consumers makes a lot of sense. An example of this is the program we did with the Oklahoma Bureau of Narcotics, who purchased 500 units of our RX Drug Safe product through a grant awarded by the Department of Justice, and gave these units to at-risk individuals within their community. With the recent addition of experienced sales executives to our team, we now have resources in place to pursue the many channels and opportunities for our professional and consumer products. At the forefront of RX Safe's value proposition is our patent protection, which covers the use of biometrics in standalone battery-operated devices. Unlike other forms of identification presently used, biometric, specifically fingerprint technology, provides a unique identifier and guarantees that only pre-authorized users are able to gain access to any device secured with our technology. Our intellectual property provides us with a significant barrier to entry and allows us to introduce our unique, cost-effective product offerings to the healthcare market without resistance from competition, as well as providing us with a competitive advantage when introducing our technology to innovate OEM legacy products. Following the rebranding of our company and the development of several products in 2015, we have now begun to establish a pipeline of opportunities for 2016, which are realistic provided the company is able to obtain necessary capital to engage additional resources to support the growth, build the necessary infrastructure, and manufacture inventory with a potential value of over $7 million in the pipeline to date. As our projected revenues demonstrate, an initial investment of $10 million will see revenues ramp from $10 million in year 1 to over $40 million at the end of year 2. With a second cash injection of $15 million, in conjunction with an uplist to a national exchange, RX Safes could feasibly be a $100 million company after 3 years of properly capitalized operations. With multiple products and multiple channels to market, each delivering their own revenue streams, the company is well positioned for rapid, expansive growth. Our founding management team has a successful track record of commercializing biometric products in the US market. This team was the first to introduce biometrics into the home security market in 2005, designing fingerprint home access control and security products such as front door locks, gun safes, garage door openers, thermostats, and home alarm controllers for name brand OEM partners such as Masterlock, Honeywell, Kwikset, and the Overhead Door Company. They are credited as being the first to establish nationwide retail sales and distribution of consumer biometric products in the US, through retailers such as the Home Depot, Costco, and Sears, to name but a few. This experience in partnering with OEMs is invaluable to support our go-to-market strategy for RX Safes. With the addition of 2 senior sales and marketing professionals, with specific experience in developing marketing programs for medical device and pharmaceutical companies, such as McKesson and Novartis, as well as selling multi-million-dollar product lines into health systems, we have now rounded out the expertise needed to successfully establish RX Safe's footprint within our target market. There are various immediate catalysts that support RX Safe's value proposition to the investment community and the street. We have patents and a 3-year head start in a hugely underserved emerging market. We're an early-stage startup with significant market potential and upside. We have diverse product offerings which create multiple revenue streams and quick ramp to significant revenue. There are strong external market drivers which create demand for our products. We offer strong innovation and a product pipeline to support sustainable growth across expanded applications. We are establishing relationships with OEMs to improve and innovate legacy products with distribution in massive, well-established professional healthcare markets. We've signed a distribution agreement with CVS for our OTC consumer products, and we have a proven leadership team with experience in commercializing biometric products and establishing OEM partnerships. Finally, our capital structure is such that we are well positioned for a capital infusion with a $22 million market cap and currently less than 400,000 shares in the public float, with insiders and affiliates owning more than 90% of the company. We value our shareholders and are available to answer questions related to any of the information you've seen today. I'm committed to building a successful, stable company and creating shareholder value for all. Thank you again for taking the time to watch RxSafe's presentation. Have a wonderful day.